कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस, क्योंकि हमने देखा 4-5 गर्ल्स की स्टोरी हमें जो देखने को मिली है, तो आपका कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस?
कोई लड़ाइयाँ नहीं हुई लड़कियों के बीच में।
हमने तो ट्रेलर में देखा तो
अच्छा
लड़कियों की के बीच में नहीं आई लड़ाई
नहीं, अमल एंड जन्नत फाइट ना, दे पुल ईच अदर।
अरे वो तो मतलब बहनों के बीच सिबलिंग वॉर है वो तो मतलब चलता है। बट इट वाज एन अमेजिंग जर्नी। आई थिंक बहुत ही खूबसूरत कहानी है। केन ने उम्मीदों से भी ऊपर की खूबसूरती से एग्जीक्यूट करी है। अनुभव बंसल जो यहाँ पर नहीं है, उनकी वजह से आप जो स्टनिंग विजुअल्स देख रहे हैं, I mean, hats off. He's done such a fab job, and it's looking the way it's looking because he's so good at it. रेणुका एंड देविका जिन्होंने कहानी लिखी है, you know, all credit goes to them as well. क्योंकि केन ने मुझे जब फ़ोन किया इसके लिए, he told me कि ऐसे we're doing a digital show. And I said, okay. And I knew Ken had directed Dev Doubleday. So what is he throwing at me? Is he throwing some sex at me? No, just joking. So, I was so taken aback by what I read in the first 2 episodes. And then मैंने Ken को कहा कि Ken आप send me more. He by chance sent me only 2 more episodes. तो मैंने actually खाली 4 episode पढ़े थे and
इसको कहते हैं 1 to का 4,
yeah,
4 to का 1.
He was so smart. He knew 4 episode तक I'll be in, लड़की in. So मैंने 4 episode पढ़े and I was so moved by how well the script was written. And I said, Ken, I'm on. I didn't need to read any further. मैंने पूरी कहानी ही नहीं पढ़ी थी, वो तो readings में बाद में जाके पढ़ी. So I think it's been a beautiful script for all of us to be a part of. The characters are etched individually so beautifully, and how they intertwine is so beautifully done. मतलब खूबसूरत के अलावा मेरे पास और कोई शब्द नहीं है बोलने के लिए. And I think, I hope आप लोगों को ट्रेलर देख के यही महसूस हुआ होगा. एंड आई रियली होप जब आप शो देखेंगे तब भी आप यही और इससे कहीं ज़्यादा महसूस करेंगे अबाउट इट.
When it comes to Hollywood actors, web series is very common over there.
Yeah.
But in Bollywood, थोड़ा सा differentiation लोग feel करते हैं. What do you think?
जैसे कि डिफरेंशिएशन एज इन
Like big
यू मीन दे लुक डाउन अपॉन इट
Yeah.
कि अरे ये डिजिटल है. द पॉइंट इज
The
दैट
biggest stars they have not yet started working in the web series.
No, that even in Hollywood, the big stars
जो इनफैक्ट लोग डिजिटल करके आगे बढ़े हैं.
Correct.
It gives them that kind of exposure. They've done that kind of content which maybe शायद फिल्मों के लिए feasible ना हो वो content. तो जब वो डिजिटल पे आता है उनकी रीच ज़्यादा होती है. इस तरीके के किरदार लिखे जाते हैं शायद फिल्मों में ना लिखे जा सकते हो. डिजिटल में उनको वो एक ज़रिया मिलता है वैसे किरदार करने का. And once you get, you know what, it's any actor, once you get that one role, that one right role, you can be picked up from whatever medium it is. It does not matter. It could be television, it could be digital, it could be theatre. It is that one right role that can just take you to next level. So आप जिन Hollywood actors की बात कर रहे हैं, in fact not just digital, most of them उन्होंने अपनी journeys television से शुरू करी हैं. And today even in the West,
George Clooney started with
they are bigger than the film stars, just so you know.
About the Hollywood actors in Bollywood, still ये अभी ट्रेंड जो है उतना नहीं है जितना हॉलीवुड में है. So do you think that इंडिया में बॉलीवुड में ये ट्रेंड जो है?
Of course, there's so much scope. There is so much scope, I think, and I would like to give it to Alt Balaji because they're the only original Indian platform जो ये चीज़ करना चाहते हैं. For example, to name a few, there is Netflix. It is not Indian. There is Amazon. It's not Indian. There are of course other platforms, but Alt Balaji is the most original platform for content to cater to every kind of an audience, not just an uber upper class audience. So I think it's a great move and it's a great time for Alt Balaji, स्पेशली जिस तरीके का वो लोग कंटेंट प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. there is Hakse, there is Bose, there is Ragini. So आप देखिए platter पूरा भरा हुआ है. There are different genres happening. Tell me what audience will not get hooked on. एक ये type का show मेरे लिए है, ये type का show आपके लिए है, ये type का show उनके लिए है. So I think it's a great move and it has immense amount of scope in the times to come.
I mean, this web series you are fan opposite Natalie Khandelwal. You are working after 1 decade. Firstly, you are working Kahi To Hoga.
Right. Right.
So how was the experience and have you seen any changes in Rajiv Khandelwal?
Oh, when I did Kahi To Hoga with him, Rajiv used to treat me like a teenager because I was a teenager.
You were a teenager.
Because I was a teenager. And of course, I couldn't speak to him the way I speak to him now. You know how it is when kids grow
up
I mean,
with
I don't mean to say that he's a parent, but I just mean when kids grow older, आपका feeling of that gap reduces. So when you cross a certain age, that gap reduces, and that's what happened. Me and Rajiv talk differently now than what we used to.
Rajiv ji to, hey Rajiv.
No, that time also I used to call him Rajiv only. It was cool, yeah. I mean, every girl had a crush on him then, every girl has a crush on him now. Where has he changed? He looks the same.
Same, that's also true.
So, no, but he's a great guy and he's a great co-actor to work with. He's very, very collaborative.
Very generous.
Very generous as an actor, very giving as an actor. And, you know, sometimes मैं ऐसे awkward feel करती थी कि मैं राजीव को कुछ अगर, you know, एक अपनी तरफ से एक input, एक suggestion about his own line I used to give him, and so well he used to take it. So that's the beauty about being collaborative as actors. And Ken had a very, very big role to play in that because most of us were like this. Am I right?
100%.
Most of us were like this. Why the most?
Correct.
So one of the actors from Bollywood that you have performed in all 3 platforms, serials, movie, then web series. So do you think any difference between all 3 genres?
I haven't done television, so I don't know how to answer the question.
See, as an actor, camera on होगा, आप ये
Exactly.
वाला कैमरा ऑन कीजिए, ये वाला कैमरा ऑन कीजिए, 5D कीजिए, आईफोन कीजिए, सैमसंग कीजिए, Arri कीजिए, Alexa कीजिए, कोई फर्क नहीं है. It's the genre that makes you do your job differently, not the medium. So there is absolutely no difference, चाहे वो एक short film हो, चाहे वो feature हो, चाहे वो digital
But
हो, चाहे वो television हो, content पे depend करता है.
And that goes to say a lot about the commitment of the actors. And so I've had the chance to work with lots of actors. I'm going to say something nice about you. Damn. Okay. So एक होता है in acting there's what I like to call
I can still hear you. I can't help it. Let me hear something nice now.
For actors there's I like to call it there's the art and the craft. The art is something which is talent. Okay. I think you may learn it, but you'll never truly get it unless you're born with it. And then there's a craft which is the technique of acting. Sometimes I met actors who've got the art, but not the craft. Some who've got the craft very well, but they just don't work. There's a actress who has got both the art and the craft down of acting to a T, and that is this girl sitting next to me.
Thank you.
Do you have some reasons why you made Hakse a web series instead of?
Okay, I had no.
Yeah.
I came into the project much later. It was a ready bound script. Half the casting had been done. I think my only contribution to the casting was Serene.
Are you serious, really?
हाँ, एकता मैम का यही कहना था कि जैसे ये स्क्रिप्ट है पहला थॉट सुरीन का ही नाम था, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
And even how does it feel to be part of one?
You know, like I say, Ekta has given me my first paycheck and to actually go to that school called Balaji to learn. I will never forget that, and I say this to her whether we're chatting on message, and we never had a fallout. It was just that we lost touch, and sometimes that happens. But in my heart, there is deepest gratitude for the brave woman, because I think I was atrocious in front of the camera in my test, and she gave me work in I was 3 days old in Bombay, and I got my first job when I had no background, no workshop done, no theatre school, nothing. I didn't know anything about acting. I was virgin as an actor. So raw. मतलब मेरा accent भी पंजाबी होता था. अरे क्या कर रहे हो ऐसे करके मैं बात करती थी, you know. I don't know what she saw in me, that she gave me such a break and then got my role to become parallel. And so I only and only have gratitude for her. And when this came and when Ken told me, and then finally when Ekta finalized everything, oh my God, I cannot tell you, there was nostalgia. मतलब you know, old time memories थी, और एक working in that environment आपकी आंखों के सामने आ गया. And the best part is that Ekta has the same drive and passion today. It is not, there is no bias towards one particular project or another project, चाहे वो TV हो, चाहे वो film हो. She's driven and passionate about every single thing that she does, which is commendable. So to work with her obviously is a pleasure, and she has not changed a bit. You know, there is success and accomplishment and achievement for somebody like her. You're bound to change as a person. It takes a lot, and it takes a lot of effort to keep yourself here. She is here, and she's just passionate about nothing else but her work.
और बालाजी एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है या वेब कहा जाए जो हिंदी लैंग्वेज को प्रमोट करते हैं. दूसरे जैसे देखा जाए नेटफ्लिक्स हो गया, अमेजोन हो गया, वो हिंदी लैंग्वेज को प्रमोट कर, सिर्फ ओनली अल्ट बालाजी जो हिंदी को प्रमोट कर रहा है. तो उसके बारे में कहना चाहिए एकता मेहता जो ये
आई थिंक सबसे पहली बात, क्योंकि ये एक इंडिया का ओरिजिनल प्लेटफॉर्म है, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी शुड डू इज़ फोकस ऑन इंडियन कंटेंट एंड अबाउट कंटेंट मेड इन आवर लैंग्वेज. ऑल दैट कैन हैपन लेटर. जब नेटफ्लिक्स ने शुरुआत करी थी, उन्होंने सिर्फ अपना कंटेंट प्रमोट किया था, अपनी लैंग्वेज में प्रमोट किया था. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ इट शुड बिकम. आई रियली विश एंड होप दैट ऑल्ट tomorrow in the near future reaches and becomes as big worldwide, which it will if they keep going the way they are going, and they're on a roll right now with the content that they're giving, that tomorrow people come to them and say, please, we want our work to be on your platform. So I think it's fair.
हमसे आप एक अच्छा मैसेज भी दे रहे हैं क्या हर एक औरत जो कश्मीर में हो या दूसरे भी स्टेट में जो लड़की हो, वो अपनी राय खुल के रखना चाहिए, बंद दरवाजे में नहीं रहना चाहिए. तो जो मैसेज देना चाह रहे हैं वो उसके बारे में थोड़ा अगर आप कहना चाहें.
आई थिंक एक ओवरऑल मैसेज ये है हम लोगों के लिए. एक्चुअली जो आपने बात कही, ये कहना बहुत आसान है क्योंकि हम एक ऐसी अर्बन सोसाइटी में रहते हैं. कश्मीर के लिए ये वो बात होगी कि आप अपने घर में रहते हैं, लेकिन आपको एक कमरे से दूसरे कमरे में जाने के लिए पूछना पड़ता है किसी और से. आपका खुद का घर है, आपकी खुद की मिट्टी है, आपकी खुद की ज़मीन है, लेकिन आपके पास परमिशन या राइट नहीं है या हक नहीं है अपने हिसाब से अपने घर को चलाने का. तो आई फील दैट फर्स्टली इज़ वेरी वेरी अनफेयर. ये कहना आसान है कि लड़कियों को खुल के बात करनी चाहिए, ये काफ़ी लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोसेस है जिसकी शुरुआत अभी हुई है. एक वोल्केनो होता है ना, अगर उससे लावा निकलता जाए धीरे धीरे तो शायद वो कभी इरप्ट नहीं होगा. हम उस वोल्केनो की बात कर रहे हैं जो दबता आ रहा है, तो एक ना एक दिन तो फूटेगा, इरप्ट तो होगा. लेकिन उसके लिए at the same time there is a lot of support and understanding and educating the society and the men in the society is required. I understand sometimes in this whole flag bearing of feminism, women also go to certain extremes, which is not correct. It should just be limited to equality and not vindictiveness towards women, towards men, sorry. That is one part of it. But for me, I don't know, I could be wrong. Education plays such an important part. Today, as a parent, you're educated. Tomorrow, you're going to bring up your child like that and give them the upbringing that is going to make them the kind of boys or men who will tomorrow make sure they don't do what is being done to women today. So there is not one point that I can you think there's something?
No, it's not only, for me, it's not only about education. It's more than education, it's awareness. Because there are a lot of educated people who are very regressive.
Correct.
Sometimes
Correct.
they go backwards.
Yeah.
So I think it's more than education, it's about exposure to what the rest of the world is about. being able to inculcate the good qualities from there and keeping your strong core values also.
So, ma'am, Huxley inspired our novels.
Yeah.
Have you read the novel?
I haven't read the novel. Yeah,
I
Ken
have.
has read the novel. I haven't read the novel.
Okay, so who are those women you are talking about? From which society they belong? You are talking that they are being suppressed and they are not allowed to just.
From every
Every
society
society.
globally, not just in our
We are talking
country.
about Kashmir, especially.
Because we were talking about
Not
Huxley, so I was talking about Kashmir, but these are not
I mean, the-
Kashmir-centric issues or India-related
The
issues.
world.
These are world-over issues. There is pay discrimination world over. There is oppression of women world over. What else?
Yeah, I
Every
mean,
issue, every society in
has
some
their
way or
own-
the other is misogynistic. Let's
Yeah,
face it.
yeah.
It is to some extent. It is patriarchal.
ओके सुरवीन जी आखिरी ये कि केन जी से भी हमने पूछा कि इसके अलावा फरवरी में जो है पीएम मोदी का बजट आने वाला है तो कुछ उम्मीदें होती है कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री
मुझे अच्छी फीलिंग है बहुत इस बार प्राइम मिनिस्टर के बजट की पता नहीं क्यों पर अच्छी फीलिंग है
कुछ इंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री से कुछ चाहती है कि कुछ
यार
बदलाव-
टैक्सेस कम कर दो यार प्लीज यार मोदी सर इफ यू आर लिसनिंग टैक्सेस कम कर दो प्लीज
मैम लास्ट एटमॉस्फेयर कैसा था शूटिंग है क्योंकि पारो जी से हमने बात की उन्होंने कहा
आप कितने बजे आए थे आज यहाँ पे क्या देखा आपने तब से लेके अब तक
मैं बहुत ही मुश्किल से हम लोग यहाँ पे
बहुत वाहियात एटमॉस्फेयर था ना राइट वाहियात वाली मस्ती हो रही थी ना ओहो तो मतलब आपने कुछ देखा ही नहीं है तो वहाँ पे पूरा दिन हम लोग सेट पे एंटरटेन होते थे एंटरटेन करते थे और बीच में जब वक्त मिलता था तो थोड़ी शूटिंग करते थे
ओके लास्ट में क्या कहना चाहेंगे मैम दर्शकों को आपकी फीड में आ रही है फैन
ऑल्ट पे आ रही है और
Alt Balaji पे this February Huxley will be streaming at some point in February. देखना ना भूलिए हक से क्योंकि आपका हक बनता है हक से जैसे शो को देखने का
Thank you. Thank you.
थैंक यू
थैंक यू सो मच